We can use Propagate to copy details along edges of solids. In this example, we'll use it to copy a wall cap throughout the rest of our drawing. Let's launch the Propagate tool. We're asked for the base solid. This is the solid to which the detail is related. In this case, it is the wall on which the wall cap is placed. Next, we're asked for the detail objects to be included in the edge detail. In this case, it is the wall cap itself. Pressing Enter will activate a temporary section. We can accept this 2D section or inflate it if necessary. We'll press Enter to accept. Now we can choose to only propagate along edges with a similar orientation. We'll do this, otherwise the wall caps would also be propagated along the vertical and bottom edges of the walls. We can now turn off suggestions if necessary, or accept the default suggestions. We can see now that the wall cap was propagated to the top edges of the walls. It also solved more complex situations, such as these corners.